Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you a quick and easy way to put text over a picture in Microsoft Word. Let's dive right in. First, open your Word document and insert your image. Go to the Insert tab at the top, click on Pictures and choose this device to select your photo. Once your picture is on the page, you might want to move it around freely. To do this, select the image, go to the Picture Format tab, click on Wrap Text, and select In Front of Text. Now you can easily drag and resize your image exactly where you want it. Next, let's add the text. Go back to the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and select the Text Box tool. Click and drag over your picture to draw the text box, then type in your text. By default, the text box will have a solid white background and a black border. Let's remove those so your picture shows clearly behind the text. Click on the edge of the text box to select it, then go up to the Shape Format tab, click on Shape Fill and select No Fill. Next, click on Shape Outline and select No Outline. Now your text is floating perfectly over the image. To make it stand out, simply highlight your text, go to the Home tab, and adjust the font style, size, and color. A bold, bright font usually works best so it doesn't blend into the background. And that's it, a clean, professional way to overlay text on images in Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick technical guides. Thanks for watching.